Assalamu alaikum and hey guys, hope so you guys are fine and taking care of yourself and your loved ones. In this video I will ask you guys the top 5 mostly asked questions that are really basic and journal. Let's find out you guys can answer it or not. Are you guys smart enough to answer these questions? Top 5 mostly asked science questions are being presented in this video. So without wasting any time further, let's begin. First of all, I will present the question, then I will give the answers. So the first question is, why is the sky blue? And the second question is, why does the moon appear in the daytime? And the third question is, how do airplanes stay in the air? And the fourth question is there dry water? And the fifth question is, why is the sun the only star that can be seen during the day? So these are the basic science questions that are mostly asked. These are the journal questions. Before figuring out the answers, I would like that you guys pause the video for a while and think of its answer and do tell in the comment section how many questions you can answer. Just tell the quantity in the comment section. As you guys tried to answer the questions, now it's time to tell you guys the right answer of these questions. Do match your answers with these answers and find out how many your answers were correct, and do tell in the comment section too. Okay, the first question was, why is the sky blue? The sky actually appears blue, but in reality it is made up of all the colors of the rainbow. Each of the different colors have the different wavelength. As we know, the rainbow is made up of 7 colors. Similarly, the sky, different colors have different wavelength. Some of these colors are smoother while the other are choppy. Blue color in short have a shortest wavelength out of these colors, so these are the choppy waves. Like each of other color, blue color waves are also scattered and reflected as they enter the Earth's atmosphere and collide with the gases and other particles. Because the color blue has the shortest wavelength, it collides with nearly everything in its path and is scattered about the sky. That's why the color of the sky appears blue. One of the second reason is that nitrogen is the major constituent of the Earth atmosphere. Nitrogen almost constitute about the 78%. It is the gas that blue light mostly collides and reflects off as it makes its way towards the Earth. If not for nitrogen and the short wavelength of the color blue, the sky might have a different color. Okay, now moving towards the second question, that was, why does the moon appear in the daytime? In reality, the moon does not produce its own light. We only see the moon when the light coming from the sun is reflected off its surface. This means that whenever the moon reflects the sun rays, we can see it even in the daytime. The visibility of the moon during the daytime also depends upon the angle and its distance from the earth. When the moon and the sun are on the same side of the earth, the moon is visible even during the day. When the moon and the sun are on opposite sides of the earth, the moon is not visible during the day, as the earth is blocking the sunlight from reaching the moon's surface. The reason we can see the moon and not the stars during the day is because the sunlight reflected off the moon makes it 100,000 times brighter than the brightest star in the sky. Okay. Now moving towards the third question, that was, how do airplanes stay in the air? Planes stay in the air because of the shape of the wings. Air moving over the wings get forced downwards, which pushes the wings up. This push is stronger than the gravity and so makes the plane fly. Planes actually take the advantage of the Newton's third law of physics, which states that every action has an opposite reaction. As air moving over the wings gets forced down, there is an equal and opposing force generated. This is a combination of bottom of the wing getting pushed up and the top of wing getting pulled up. Now the fourth question was, is there any dry water? Think of it, is there any? If I say yes, Yes, there is a dry water. I know it's hard to believe that there is dry water. We know the water is wet, so how can it be dry? Yes, the water can be dry. This dry water is also known as empty water. If you guys can see in the picture, this is a dry water. This is a dry water. Now moving towards the justification of it. Dry water is basically an unusual form of powdered liquid. It is air water emulsion in which liquid droplets the size of grains of sand are surrounded by a silica coating. Dry water consists of 95% of liquid, but the silica coating prevents the droplets from combining and becoming a bulk liquid. The result is a white powder, as you can see in the picture, that looks similar to table salt. It is also very powdery to touch. Now the last but not the least question, that is the fifth question. Why is the sun the only star that can be seen during the day? Stars actually glow during the day, but they are impossible to see because of the brightness and closeness of the sun. Also, the light coming from the sun is scattered into bright blue color that we are familiar with as being the color of the sky. This blue tinted atmosphere plays a part in blocking out the stars, which in fact shine very faintly. On the other hand, if you lived on the moon, its lack of atmosphere would allow you to see the stars both day and night. If it really so, please like the video and do share it, and do subscribe my channel, make it easy, and press the bell icon so you can get the notification about the new videos that are similar coming out. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.